Hey everybody, this is a real quick video in case you have Anker Soundcore P2 Mini wireless Bluetooth earbuds and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on them. You're going to want to do this reset for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting in case the earbuds are not working for any reason, whether they are not connecting to your phone or other device, or not syncing or pairing with Bluetooth, or if the left earbud is not working or the right earbud is not working, so you're only getting sound out of one ear. A factory reset can fix a lot of these issues, and if you can't get them fixed and you want to get a new set of earbuds, I'll go ahead and put a link in the description to a good set of earbuds at a good price. But anyways, the second reason you might want to do this is just for any variety of reasons where you want to delete all the pairing history and settings off of them so you can set them up like they're brand new. It's really simple to do. The reset, all you need to do is put them in the case as shown here and just make sure they're well seated and charging properly and there's a good connection. And then you're just going to come and press and hold the button in the middle here on the case for 10 seconds. And while holding this button, you're just going to keep an eye on these lights down here. So holding this. And when these lights flash 3 times and then they light up in sequence, ding, 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 that means that the reset is complete. And now you can go ahead and set these earbuds up as though they're brand new coming out of the box.